Animal islands, where creatures rule. Hey there, wildlife enthusiasts. Have you ever dreamt of a place where animals take center stage? From swimming pigs to fearless bunnies, today we're diving into 7 incredible animal islands where creatures truly rule. So, grab your safari hat and let's explore. One, Big Major Cay, Bahamas. Our first stop takes us to the Bahamas, where pigs lead a life of luxury on Big Major Cay. These feral porkers are living it up on golden beaches and, get this, taking dips in the clear blue waters. No need to imagine how pigs vacation anymore. 2. Seal Island, South Africa. From pigs to seals, let's head over to South Africa's Seal Island. Here, around 75,000 Cape fur seals reside, and their waters attract a much more formidable guest, great white sharks. Witness the thrilling spectacle of nature as these predators hunt and breach. 3. Rottnest Island, Australia. Now, down under in Australia, Rottnest Island is a haven for the adorable quokkas. These critters, often called the world's happiest animal, roam freely in a traffic-free paradise. Grab a bike and explore this unique island with its charming furry residents. 4. Komodo Island, Indonesia. Get ready to meet the real-life dragons of Komodo Island, Indonesia. Komodo dragons are the largest species of lizard on Earth. Their massive size and unique features make them a must-see, but remember, exploring with a guide is mandatory. 5. Aldabra Atoll, Seychelles. From dragons to giants, Aldabra Atoll in the Seychelles is home to over 150,000 giant tortoises. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is isolated and untouched, with a habitat that supports these gentle giants. Plan ahead to be a part of this conservation-focused experience. 6. Christmas Island, Australia. Let's talk about one of the world's most spectacular wildlife events, the red crab migration on Christmas Island. Millions of crabs create a crimson wave as they journey to the sea. But remember, timing is crucial as it's linked to sea levels and the moon. 7. Okunoshima, Japan. Last but not least, let's hop over to Japan's Okunoshima, where hundreds of wild rabbits greet visitors with boundless cuteness. With a unique history tied to World War II, these furry friends enjoy a carefree life, and you can spend a day in their company. So there you have it, folks, 7 amazing animal islands where creatures truly rule the roost. From swimming pigs to fearless Komodo dragons, each destination offers a unique opportunity to witness the wild in action. Which of these islands is now on your bucket list? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of our animal kingdom. See you on the next adventure.